Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make black bean burger.
These burgers are so delicious. It's the absolutely best burger I've ever tried. So let's go ahead and show you guys how we make it.
First we will chop 1 onion, 1 bell pepper. Pour avocado oil into a pan. We first started by sautéing the onions. Then we will add the bell peppers. This is the spices we will use. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and coriander, 3 tablespoons of marinara sauce. Now we are going to our garden where we will cut dill, parsley, cilantro, thyme, and green onion. Let's go ahead and put 2 cups of cooked black beans and 1 cup of oats into the blender. Chop the herbs and put them in there as well. Add the mix of sautéed vegetables. Now for spices, let's add salt to your taste. One teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper.
Now blend it. We will have a link in the description to the blender we are using. Put it into a bowl and add half a cup of black beans for texture.
We are ready to form the patty.
You can bake or fry the patty, but we will be frying them. Add avocado oil and place the patties into the pan. Fry both sides. It's time to build the burger. Toast whole wheat bread. On one side, add salsa, and on the other side, add our homemade cashew sauce. We have a link in the description on how to make the cashew sauce. Place the patty and top it off with onions, avocado, and spinach. Like I said, I don't think I've ever tried a burger that tastes this good and has so much flavor. You really need to try this out for yourself. If you enjoyed the video and want to see many more delicious recipes just like this one, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.